Hello, warriors and sorcerers. Witcher is here, the professor of all. Today I'm gonna give dating advice for the young man and why young men should not go to the nightclubs. Maybe if you're observing this channel, if you're following this channel, um, you notice that I'm talking about how to have a good life, how to have a successful life, and to have a successful life, to have good life, you need to have three main components of life in order, which is health, wealth, and relationships. So today I'm gonna talk about relationships, about the dating life, and why you should not go to the nightclubs. When I was in my 20s, I used to go out a lot, and I used to go to the nightclubs, to the bars, and some of the older workers, they might think, today is so bad, it used to be much better in our youth and in the old times, but this is not true. It was always bad. And I remember similar dynamics in the clubs, in nightclubs, back then, similar to what we have today. Um, First of all, you want to meet women, you want to go out, um, but sometimes you don't want to go out alone, yeah, because you might think if people see you, you came alone to the club, you will be seen as a loser. But because most of your friends might be even bigger losers than you, so you might prefer to go out alone. Yeah, you don't want to. Let's say if you learn swimming, you don't want to carry like an extra baggage, do you? So we have here this kind of unsolvable matrix equation. Yeah, this society matrix uh, create these unsolvable problems just to frustrate you. Yeah, like with many other things, as you might learned or you will learn. Yeah, society creates this unsolvable situation to cause you this inadequacy, to make you feel bad. Uh, yeah. So another thing is that people usually go out in groups because 99.9% of people are conditioned to go out with someone, to not go out alone. They get basically brainwashed by the society, so they will not be seen as losers. Yeah. So we have here another part of society matrix programming, another part of this unsolvable matrix equation, where society tells you to go out and meet people, to make friends, or to find a date, but most of the people are just stuck in their little groups. So again, on the one side they give you problem, but on the another side they don't give you the solution. And another problem is that you enter this fake and toxic environment, which is the nightclub, where people create those fake personas. Yeah, like for example, you have this average girl or even the ugly girl, which is not attractive, and in her everyday life she might be doing some low paid, low status job. So she enters this fake environment and she believes she's someone special. Yeah, she's someone of high status, and this is happening because she's getting a lot of attention. Um, she's wearing high heels. She's wearing heavy makeup. So she looks like 3 times better than in reality. So she can get all this attention from guys. So that makes her feel that she's better than anyone else. So as you see, the nightclub is encouraging all these toxic behaviors from women. They get a lot of undeserved attention, undeserved admiration. So this gives them this situational high social status. Yeah, for example, in this fake artificial environment, like 19-year-old drunk girl can get higher social status than the Nobel Prize winner in surgery. Yeah, let's say some brain surgeon who saves people lives. He might have a lower social status than this 19-year-old drunken girl in the nightclub. So very often you have women who are not necessarily the best looking or the smartest, who go out to make fun of you guys. Yeah, you may approach her with good intentions, but she will shut you down just to get a quick ego boost. Yeah, just to feel better. And this is not necessarily their fault. Yeah, the women's fault, um, because this environment is just encouraging these toxic behaviors. You need to understand that the nightclub is not there to make you happy or to make you feel good. Actually, the nightclub is there to make money for its owners. So the nightclub is the monster created to make you feel bad, because if you feel bad about yourself, you spend more money just to feel better. So you enter this club, uh, and what you see? You see people who have fun, but mostly they are drunk or they are intoxicated with drugs. So you immediately have this thought in the back of your head, like, oh, everyone is having more fun than me, or you feel like a loser. You might see people wearing extravagant, expensive clothes, even if they are live paycheck to paycheck, or even they are in debt. So you again, you might start thinking, wow, everyone is cooler than me. Everyone else is better dressed than me, or everyone else is having more money than me. And again, you feel like a loser, so you spend money on drinks, so you feel better. Everyone is buying drinks, so if even if women are getting drinks for free, the guys are buying drinks. So again, you spend money for drinks just to be part of the cool crowd. Yeah, is this kind of the pressure from the environment. Yeah, like do the same things as I do. Yeah, so you can be cool as me. You need to understand that this is not like the most young guys think, that in the club you're competing for women with other guys. Yeah, of course, you might compete with other guys, but actually your main competition is the club itself. You competing with this monster which is pushing shame on you, which is pushing inadequacy, because what the nightclub does, yeah, it puts all these flashy lights on you. It's putting all this music on you. Yeah, let's say you might be talking to the girl which you like. Maybe she likes you, but then she can hear her favorite song and she runs away to the dance floor. Yeah. So you might have this loud music which sometimes makes it impossible to talk to anyone. Yeah. You have groups of people stuck in their own bubble. You might have this set of rules. For example, women get free drinks. Women are let in first. So in this situation, again, it creates reality when men have less value than women. Yeah. So this is an environment when you are set for the failure. Yeah, everything is against you. I had even a situation in clubs in London where bouncers were actively preventing guys from talking to the girls. So this demonic monster, which is the nightclub, is trying to tell you all the time, you are not good enough. A lot of guys who are going out to the clubs to improve their dating life, their romantic life, might be thinking, well, maybe it's something wrong with me, or maybe this club sucks, or maybe I'm making some mistakes. Some they think it's there's some mistake, yeah, in the process. But no, actually, the process, the system, it was designed that way. Yeah, it was designed the way so you feel like a loser, so you feel bad. So if you go into nightclub, you actually feeding that monster by giving him money, giving him attention, giving him your time. So stop feeding these monster guys. Save your time, save your money for something fun and something positive. That's it for today, guys. If you want to improve your dating life, your business life, improve your health, visit my website imthewitcher.com. There's a little bubble with the free Viber Messenger. Press it, we can talk, and maybe me or my allies can help. Thank you.